I've been drinking Kool-Aid cameras like I did when I was 9, 'cause I like to pretend that I haven't lost the time. In the end, the nostalgia, though it tastes fine, I can only drink a couple 'cause it feels like a lie. We'd play Halo and we'd lay low in our basement until the sun began to rise. We would go to school but not learn too much, 'cause it's hard to read when you've got tired eyes. Months go by, the time it flies, past the days that we drink Kool-Aid in the summertime. Years go by, the time it flies, past the days that we drink Kool-Aid in the summertime. They've been with me for some time, and it's nice to know that they still by my side. Friends are like stars, 'cause no matter how far, when it's dark outside, they will be your light.
Hey, Josie. Got a few more minutes in the waiting room before I actually start the stream.
Until the sun began to rise. We would go to school.
Let's see, did you send new plants or was I dreaming that? Oh, yep, there they are.
Months go by,
Cool.
the time it flies, past the days that we drink Kool-Aid in the summertime. Years go by, the time it flies, past the days that we drink Kool-Aid in the summertime.
Yeah, well, I'll just slap them all in until I have like a real cohesive set of art. Then I'll start applying standards. Hello, Spacey. I should get a drink. I have 47 seconds before this song is over. Not saying you can't have crazy ideas, just that you might need to standardize them. It's like maybe there are 10 frames of plant growing, and maybe there's some alternate wiggles we can apply when people actually talk. For now, I'll just like modify their rotation when people talk. And sometimes it'll grow. Well, bummer. The music stopped. Guess I have to start the stream. Okay, you aren't lined up. Whoops. As good as this arm is, the knobs on it are a real pain. There, that should be better. Let's get more music on. Genre, I don't know. Moombako? Is that moon music? Ambient? Too ambient. Yeah, the knobs on my actual arm, they're real pain. Okay, why do I have Steam up? Oh, I was just playing Horizon Forbidden West. And I kind of want to keep playing it. Anyway, shout out to an artiste who is also learning Godot. Vorunder. And I suppose I better actually start Godot now. Oh, cool, I started it twice. Yeah, what if I did that? We just part it down the middle. Leave the top smooth. Yeah, he was doing Ghost in the Shell sketches yesterday. And he likes to do white on black paper. Crazy. But it looks cool. Well, where does a hair part go according to standards? Don't make it go? Oh no, this is horrible. This is worse. I killed it. Oh, it's all staticky now. I can hear it crackling and popping. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. I'm gonna, like, electrocute my computer next time I type something. It's voluminous today. Yeah, my secret is that it's voluminous when I don't shower for a while. That's my dirty secret. Okay, let's see if this still works. Everyone in chat, raise your voices and make those plants grow. Grow, grow, grow your plant. Oh, there's only one plant now. I haven't done offsets. Oh no. Okay, her plant's growing. Third growy. me turn off HDR. I don't. It definitely affects how my monitor looks to me. But it looked fucking incredible in Horizon. The brights were bright, the darks were dark, and I could see stuff in both of them. It was amazing. This is much better. Screen actually got brighter for me. Sound cracked a little bit. Oh no. Okay, let's get offsets. Let me edit that. I say, why can't I click anything? Wait, I was growing. Oh god, I killed your plant. It is a fun game now. Yeah, it just needed a little bit. Now it's super fun. How big? They're 1 meter across, so that would be... Well... It doesn't have the same axes as Unreal. So I want it across the X. 100 across the X. Healed. I can't see this on the other one. If only I could attach some sort of shape. No, it probably needs like instance mesh instance. And I give it a sphere. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so they should start there, and it's just in the center of the plane, which I should fix. I have the dandelion too. You don't need to make more flowers. I need to make more games so I can start getting flowers in. Because dandelions are awful. They're devil seeds. They grow straight from hell. That's all. There are already dandelions in the lawn. It's still freezing outside. They're not just in my garden, they're in my whole lawn. They're everywhere. It's gonna get even worse. Like you see one day and then you see 100 the next. I never got my flippin' drink. Go work, Spacey. I got Josie to test the plants. Yeah, she's the gardener. Like, if you have emotes as fertilizer, should I have chat messages be like little drops of water or something? Like it sprinkles on your plant? Or should I just keep it as wiggles only? Like maybe something else waters your plant. Maybe your first visit of the day waters the plant. There we go. First visit of the day equals plant watered. First chat. Other chat messages equal wiggle waggle. And that kind of ties in with you do a stream streak and it grows, otherwise it withers. Yes, it's a good idea. I have so many good ideas. That's why I need such volume. This is the heat sink to keep all the good ideas from boiling me like an egg. Have you seen those century eggs? I got sidetracked into a Facebook video about how they make them. And crazy. Like little jello things. But they like roll them down the slope through the rice holes. Is cool. But the video is all like, they are traditionally made by hand. Well, what did you expect? Do you think they're traditionally made by industrial machines? Hater of eggs. Yes, she is. Hater of meats, hater of fish. Do you do honey? Twinkies are traditionally made by machines. Okay, you've got a point there. But, you know, maybe Mr. Twinkie traditionally made them with like frosting bagging. Just go hand by hand. She's a mere disliker of honey. Got it. Kepler, what are you doing down there? Wild native bees over filthy foreigner bees. I can agree with that. On the other hand, those filthy foreigner bees doing their part for the environment. Getting it all pollinated, hopefully. Unless they're like the danger bees. What was the thing in 2020? Was it wasps or bees? Kepler, you are so gross. You need groomed. They refused to do... It wasn't a full groom we wanted to do while we were away, but it's like just shedding. Pretty much just combing her and getting all the hair out. But they refused to do that since she was a little matted. So now she's going to get even more matted by the time we can do a full groom. Okay, I want transforms. Let's open Rider. Hi, Kepler. Howdy. And I will be right back as this opens. Success. All right, is it running? Test. Oh no, it's got my sphere. All right, Josie, it's your turn. Wiggle your plant. Doop, 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 doop. All right, should I put this in a really hopping channel? All right, I killed the plants. We're going to put this in the co-carnage channel for a bit. Josie, I'm going to kill so many of your plants before this is done. Don't you worry about it. Connected. Oh, he's probably got too many people talking, though. Because we have to have the same one talk twice for it to wiggle. Also, it just died. Why did it just die? So it kept adding users. Oh, it kept moving the plant root position. Oh no! I want plant dot position. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, there it is. Plus offset times manage plants dot count. Oh no. VD dot print. Position should be plant dot position offset Offset times managed plants dot count. The offset keeps increasing, but is it when I do add child? Position is that not a relative? Dog, I need more caffeine in my life right now. 5-6. That's so weird. But also, nobody's talking again. Nobody's getting their plant wiggled. Unless it's offsetting somewhere I didn't expect. Josie's talking. Everybody, shh, Josie's talking. Where is the plus X? Plus X is to the right. If I put you in the middle of the screen, though. Okay, we're gonna have to do some Googling. Godot docs. Godot change transform. Origin is coordinates, basis is rotation. Oh, this is for 2D. Oh, is it going to tell me that? No, this is equivalent to transform.origin. That's what I thought. So I was still wrong. Transform.origin. Right? Right. Okay, it does seem like the one I do want to use, and there is a global position, which will be handy. Oh, the other thing I can think of. Okay. You know how Unreal is 100 units to a meter? What if this one is actually like 1-to-1? Spring forth and talk, chatters. Any second now. Oh, they're too close. Why are they too close? I thought you were a mesh of 1, 1, 1.76. Oh, it's 2 meters by 2 meters. Oh, that's interesting. They all reference the same plane, probably because they're copy-pasted. Oh, dummy engine's ruining my day. In fact, I don't even want to start it now. I want to fix up my screw-up. There. I still don't know that we'll see them wiggle because there's so many different chatters. Oh, look at me. I'm wearing my Unreal Engine shirt while doing Godot work. All right, let me know if you see any plants wiggle. In fact, I had it set to start random. Let's start them at 1. Come on, we just need one person to defend a bad opinion, and their plant will wiggle. Oh, I think we got one. I think we got one. Right there. Oh, there's another one. There, let's just set a static scene there so scrolling chat doesn't confuse me. Yeah, these clay plants are so good. Oh, but now I need to fix their size. So plant root was scaled to 1/2, but now it can be scaled back to 1. Back to this, there. Okay. I need to get rid of that sphere too. Or at least figure out how to do editor only. Alright, somebody say something spicy. Not you, Josie. Hey, they did it. We've got 2. 3. 4. Okay, get your third messages in there. We see if somebody actually grows a plant. We'll give it a few minutes. We can do some more stretches. Maybe I'll just close my eyes and go to sleep. Oh, that one's getting big. I should put chat names above each plant too. Or should they be under the plants? Well, if this goes 3D, maybe like when it focuses on a plant, that one will show the chat name. Or like maybe it'll spout a message above the plant, but it's not necessarily legible. Oh, I like that, like a chat bubble above the plant. So it wiggles and you get the chat bubble, but you don't actually see the message, you just see some squiggles. Like, oh, that person talking. Yeah. Alright, somebody grow a plant, dang it. We've got 2 contenders, right? 3. 3 tied for first. Oh! Taking the lead. Number 3's taking the lead. This would be really funny to just sick on random streams and do like a racing game. Like give turtles. They don't know they're playing, but we do. We'll bet on them. It's so small on the phone. Oh, geez. I like how seamlessly it mixed 3D and 2D. That's real nice. That's going to be fun. Oh, uh-oh, we're tied again. We're tied. I don't remember what the final stage looks like. Are we getting, like, within 2 of it? Wait, I can scroll down. Okay, so that's the final stage up there. We're getting real close. I don't know if this one's further than this one. Why are they growing their... I told you I put this on the Co-Carnage channel. There are 20,000 people watching. There are definitely chatters. That's why I'm like, why are you spamming, Josie? It's on somebody else's channel right now. Hey, hey. For fuck's sake. Hey, they did it. They did it. We got a winner. It's not Josie. King in their castle. King in the castle. Yeah, some other things we'll have to do for standardization. Make them all like start, like the ground level be the same height. Speaking of ground level, yeah, it's not showing the ground mesh. There should be a brown line. Look how shiny it is, very shiny. Oh, they talked again and it reset. Okay, turn it off. Alright, that's cool. Now I need to make like garden plots where it can actually assign you a plot. Do a little spiral around so it stays tightly clustered, I guess. Or maybe it's just like random squares. And you get assigned to a random square inside of Garden Patch. And it'll focus on a couple of garden patches a stream. I don't know. What was the really good idea we had? Plus temporary chat bubble. Can streamer decide who gets what patch? No, but when you harvest your plant and you have a seed to plant, you can choose where it goes. But that first time that you get a plant, it just gets planted for you, so you don't have to worry about that, so it looks active without people having to actually play. But harvesting is a specific action you have to take, so it makes sense that you have a specific action to plant afterwards. Alright, should I do this again? Should I turn it on the big channel again and we'll just, we'll make it wrap? Because I need to run to the bathroom. But I'm going to do this before I do that. Yeah, pumpkins would be cool. I still need to figure out a lot of details there, like how you get seed packs and how you redeem them. Negative. So if I start this at the top, okay, Josie, here we go. We have to be fast. Someone will steal this idea. There's a lot of stream games. I'm not too worried. Besides, I'm stealing Dan's idea. Sort of. I'll turn off chat. So you have to guess at who does what. But this person's already got 2 messages in. Where are the Steelers? Oh no, it increments by 1 meter. I need 2 meters. Frick. It is refreshing to have 1 equal 1. Like, really refreshing. Although it's going to be a while before I get the centimeters out of my system. I showed you Honest Adventure, right? Didn't I, Josie? Yeah, we played the video on stream that showed what it was. An Honest Adventure, Dan's overlay game. I mean, I'll show it to you again when I'm back. Be right back. Hold on, I fricked up again. Hold on, I really fricked up again. I was just talking about not getting over that centimeters thing, but I added an extra 100 in there, because why not? Okay, this time I think I actually got it. Oh, bother. Okay, hold on. What's going wrong? They keep spawning in the same spot. Offset should be increasing. Int. That's fine. That's actually what I want. Thank you. Okay, give me those messages. Offset is not increasing. Why is it not getting added to the count? Offset, 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 offset. Oh, that's why. Yes, of course. All right, enjoy. No, it's all fricked up again. Why? Because I do it backwards. I should do Y before X. Before X gets corrupted. Why is this simple thing taking so many turnaround cycles? Also me. I'm back. Alright, how are we doing? Who won? We've got one up there. Got two up there. Got some over there. Oh, got some over... Oh, another one just popped out. Nice. What if I made the racing game too? But it's not just how many times you chat, it's like how long your chat messages are. But you also do it on someone else's channel. So, like, nobody's spamming your chat. Then you could do bets. Oh, would that be against TOS? They do have, yeah, you can do channel bets with multiple options. That's allowed. Alright, baby cam, back up. Still asleep. Okay, I do have to close it now. Rip. Alright, let's take out that code. Clear buffer. Alright, what do I fix now? Gotta put this guy down at the bottom. Clear it all. But yeah, Josie, did I show you the Honest Adventure stream game? Or do we need a rewatch of that? We need a rewatch, okay.
Hey, I just want to give you a quick run through of my stream overlay game called An Honest Adventure. So this is a game that I created in Unity. It's a full screen application that I run on
See, he had like the whole frame here going on
my computer while I'm streaming. And essentially it uses a C# library called TwitchLib.
I'm using TwitchLib. Anyways, here's what I was thinking for the community garden. You just have this bottom section, and occasionally it would pop up over the whole screen when you wanted.
In order to connect to the Twitch API and connect my bot account so that it can listen for other people in my chat's input. And therefore they can control the game through writing special commands in chat. So for example, at the moment you can see that there's a bunch of people writing the word quest on the screen because in my stream overlay game it says that there's a full moon shines above Dan Andreas, there's a quest because there's some werewolves attacking, so all the viewers in chat are able to type special commands in order to interact with the game. So I've just joined that quest and we'll see in a moment lots of little cute adventurers come on the screen and fight against each other. So everyone who views the stream, if they chat, they will be added to my database where I store their Twitch viewer name, and then they get an adventurer kind of record stored against their name then. And every adventurer then can earn gold and fame in the game, and they can join kingdoms, and they can become king of said kingdoms. I store the database manually on my computer in a flat database. I'd like to expand it someday to be a kind of a web-based database where I can create an API so people can
Pointing
check
is
their
hard,
stats when I'm
man.
not streaming, etc. But at the moment, it works fine for my needs. The types of things you can do in the game then, it encourages chat to interact, and that was one of the main things I was looking to do. So this is a fine example of that. Right now we've just had 15 different people in my chat sign up to that quest, and there's a bit of teamwork involved, because if you lose this quest, the kingdom that's been attacked will lose a bunch of their fame, which is a currency in the game that you're trying to accumulate. But in addition to that, you see there's a little dungeon at the bottom. So when a quest isn't running, that dungeon can be interacted with through people in chat using different commands. So you can add potions into the dungeon to make it easier. You can add monsters into the dungeon to make it more difficult. You can add bounties in to make it more worthwhile to be successful in the dungeon. You can even assassinate other adventurers as they go through the dungeon as well. As one of my viewers has just done now as well, you can also do things like battle cries, where you spend some of your gold in order to shout out louder message for everyone else to see. Now, you may also notice that the little cute adventurers at the bottom are having a fight against the werewolves at the moment. It's currently 10 adventurers versus 2. Seems like this is going to be a successful quest. So we'll just see if the final adventurers can slay the last 2. There they go. And that victory means that everyone who was on the quest gets a little bit of fame, and one of the adventurers, Elisha Griffin in this case, will win the loot that is in the quest chest, and so she gets a card. And the cards are the way that you actually go ahead and collect the different skins.
Yeah, I should do the
You
shout out
see that the
messages
different
too.
characters you see and pop up on the screen, they have different little sprites. So all the sprite work as well for the game I made myself. I don't consider myself an artist, but I do enjoy dabbling in a bit of pixel art. But essentially, you can use commands in chat to change your skins once you've unlocked them. So if you collect cards, like Elisha just got a card then, if you collect different cards, it allows you to trade them in and turn them into skins. So I can use different commands, such as let's do skin archer, and then if I do a battle cry on screen, you can see that my character is an archer. It's also wearing a crown, which makes it look a little bit odd, but that's because I'm king of my kingdom. I get a little crown to show as well. But yeah, generally speaking, it's just an interactive game to give my viewers something a little extra to get involved with while I'm streaming. They're still able to watch my content as I do development work and learn about different technologies, but also they're able to slowly grind away and get fame and gold so that they can interact with the game in different ways. So just to show some of the ones we showed earlier as well, so we can see Omega Leo is going into the dungeon now. If I wanted to help,
All right, so this up here is a little guy you could buy things from. I think is like kind of like gambling or a slot machine. Like you buy the mystery box, you get 1 gold or you get 100 gold. But with the heat extension, you could just click that on the stream and it would do it for you instead of having to do like exclamation buy mystery box.
I could add potions in through adding the potion command. If I wanted to make it harder, I could add a monster in. Or if I wanted to be nasty, I could assassinate them like so. But all of that costs resources. So it's a bit of a game where you build resources, you spend resources, and you interact with the other people in the game. But yeah, it started development in March. I've been developing it ongoing since then. So every month we'll do an update where we'll fix things and we add extra functionality. And as you can see on screen, there is an instruction guide, a user guide here, which will explain everything about how the game works, and you see all the different skins that are available here, for example. But at the end of every month as well, you'll see there's patch notes here where I'll go through, and in September, these are the things that were changed. You can see that there's bugs that were
Oh yeah, somebody just got a loot box.
fixed, and the different individuals in the game are able to earn different titles for different accolades as well. Also, if you're interested in creating something like this yourself, I have made a beginner's guide to starting your own Twitch stream overlay game, which you're able to find on the TwitchLib GitHub page. Or if you pop to my stream, there's a command to drop that link for you. But this won't teach you how to make my game, but it'll help you to set up the kind of the infrastructure needed to use Unity and TwitchLib in order to create one of these Twitch interactive games.
All right, so where are we going from here? We can listen to chat. We react to chat. I guess I could put in the wiggles right now. Like maybe it's only a 50% chance of growing. Yeah, let's do that. So we grow like 50% of the time. And I will set it on this channel, Josie. So we'll put it on my channel. So get ready to spam. So there's going to be a 50% chance to grow, but it will always wiggle. So transform, rotation, X is that way, Z is forward. So we want it to rotate along the Z axis. What is a rotation? How do I, vector 3? So I want to set the Z. Vector CP. Well, howdy, neighbor. Oh, man, you missed out. You missed the whole screen full of flowers. What a bummer. Maybe I'll start it up just for you. Here, I'll get it going just for you so you can see what's going on. Do 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 do. All right, let's see if this breaks horribly. Was it AI flowers that looked like cats that my mom got tricked into buying? Oh no. So this is on another channel, but as people talk, their flower grows. And this is all clay flowers made by Josie. Josie, we're going to have to figure out how to do clay particle animations. It's like when they reach the final stage, it'll go, but there'll be clay particles instead of like just random sparklies. Tell boomers about AI they need to help. Oh, they need the help? I'll just wait till my parents lose like their life savings buying cat-shaped flowers. Then we'll see. Oh, we got some flowers ready to pop. Who's going to go first? Oh. It's getting there. This person's really talking. Maybe it's a mod or something. Trying to tell chat to stay in line. Where is yours? This is on a different channel. I pointed at a channel that actually has a lot of chatters. Okay, I'll do it in here. Fuck's sake. Oh, we gotta hide this guy too. No, go away, go away. I'm also a chatter. I'm not dead yet. I'm a chatter still. We grow flowers for fuck's sake. Then fucking grow your flowers. Josie started her flower. Where is yours, CP? Me too. Me too. Spam, 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 spam. Oh, look, my flower grew. Yeah, just fucking spam the chat. Go big or go home. I think you're in the middle. Mine is the third one. Where did my ring go? Why did my ring just fall off? Egg and spam. Spacey, is spam vegan? I don't think it is. I don't think any of these are vegan, Spacey. What are you doing? Spam, bacon, sausage, and spam. Spam, bacon, sausage, and spam. Spam, egg, spam, spam, bacon, and spam. Spam, 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 egg, and spam. A fro flower is in the request. It is one of the requested flower types. Spam, sausage, spam, 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 bacon, spam, tomato, and spam. Spam, 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 baked beans, spam, 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 and spam. I think I'm just killing my plant. It's hard to see. Oh yeah, you're on the phone, aren't you? Well, the more you talk, the more it grows. Yours is the furthest left. Which flower requested this? I told you. I asked you, should I put chat names? And you're like, no, I prefer the anonymity. What if I put, like, your initial? I put Big Blue Jay. I think I can get your... Ooh. Can I get the color of your name? I should be able to. You said the name, but it flew away? What does that even mean? The wiggling? Yeah, do the wiggling. And do the chat bubble, but that won't have a name. What, Kepler? But maybe the thing is... Alright, so there's going to be a 3D plot. Or it's going to be a 2D plot, but it's not going to be on the screen axis. So the plane of the screen. Anyways, Kepler, shush. So maybe there are some that are in focus at any given point. Like maybe there are 4 flowers behind these and 4 in front of them, but only these 4 in the middle are in focus. And so they're the ones that show the name. Just write the request somewhere. I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm just going to write what I'm thinking. Kepler, you can't grow a plant. I'm sorry. Only in focus plants show plant details like chatter name. Kepler, chill. Chill, dog. You gotta chill. You want to go outside? Go ring the bell. Go ring the bell. Kepler is a her. Thank you very much. Go. Go ring the bell. Can you use different types of flowers? Okay, so you probably don't know what's going on, man. This will be a community garden. It will persist between streams. when you visit a stream, it's kind of like watering your plant. If you miss out too many streams, it'll start to wither. But as you water your plant, it'll grow, and you chat, and it like wiggles and shows a little chat bubble above it, and that's cool. So if chat's really hopping, they'll be wiggling like there's wind or something. I don't know. But eventually it gets big enough, like those 3 over there, and you can harvest it, and you get some seeds back. And they're kind of like random card packs. So you can get hollow cards, you can get 1 of 1 cards, you can get rare seeds, and you can plant a new one. What else? Seed pack gamba. You can harvest your plants, so you can show off you got a really big 1 of 1 super spicy pepper or something. If you're a subscriber, you get extra garden plots, or you can get big plots, like you can put a tree in them. What other thing? What else? When you do emotes, they act as fertilizer so your plant grows faster. I hear you, dog. All right, be right back. Grow your plant. What else? Yeah, so there are lots of different types of plants you can have. Christmas trees, bird bushes, fro flowers, pumpkins, dandelions. We have a dandelion already. I just need to hook it up. Bird of paradise, Venus flytrap, beans, cactus, baby Groot. Your flower is unspeakably huge. It looks about that big. I don't think that's quite unspeakably. Oh, but look at you. You've got the 2-month subscriber badge. You've got the helium badge. Those look a lot better than I expected. Oh yeah, another thing is some of these packs will be clay flowers. Not all of them are going to be clay. Some of them Josie's going to sculpt in VR. Some of them she's going to do voxels. Some of them I might sketch. Some of them she might illustrate. It's going to be wild. I need to figure out a way to have like 100 plants, but only 5 in focus. But also only using this small section of screen down here. I might also do like Dan did and have a sidebar so I can preserve the aspect ratio. Then maybe that has actions you can click on. Because part of this is I found an extension that lets you click and I get the information. Can you move them anywhere? What do you mean? I can put them anywhere. But I was just going to keep them on the bottom of the screen like a little taskbar. And then I'd move me up. Oops. Whoops. Oh, God. Everything's moving. Then I'd like sit above them. King in his garden. King in his garden. For the RAM channel, that sounds like computer nerd stuff. Oh yeah, rise and mind. I get it now. Have a row of flowers. All right, what does Dig Dug look like? Dig Dug screenshots. Okay, so you like the flowers up there? You certainly could. One thing I was thinking about earlier in this stream was you hook it up to somebody else's channel so it watches their chat, and as people type, it's like racing cars. And they just race across the screen. You do point bets on them. Because you missed when I had the whole screen full of flowers. It was sick. Anyways, what was I working on before I was so rudely interrupted by chat? I think I need to figure out like the 3D part of this. How does a garden plot work? How do you select the next one? It's like if I had mesh instance, and we'll give it a plane, and we'll say it's just really big, like 100. Oh, come on, 100, 100, 100. No, I'd probably do chores if I was offline. It'd be boring. Okay, so I could do like this, but I'd do a different camera. I would do it not in ortho. Uh-oh, I'm lost now. But then, like, you slap plants across them, they go back into infinity, and there's the dog again. Be right back. Okay, so what does a plant have? It has its position in the garden, which would map to some garden square out there. Stardew Valley ideal farm layout. So like this, you'd have groups of plants. Some of them might be like chatters mixed together. Others might be like you have a tree in there that takes up a 2x2 square and some other chatters planted around it. Let's see. Or maybe I just make tree slots a completely separate thing. That way they don't get mixed in. I think I like that idea better. That way I don't have to worry about them hiding plants behind them. Tree sluts. Yes, you heard me. Tree sluts. Actual nymphos. Okay, so what if I go ahead and do this? How does that feel? Now, as people talk, it will. What is that bar supposed to be? Supporter bar? Never heard of it. So now, as people talk, their flowers will go across like this. And it's very clearly delineated. Talk, talk, talk. Oh, let's move that. Oh, I can't move that without going to stream alerts. But now that I have chat in the game, I just run the game and that's the overlay. Talkie, 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 speaking. Yo, Apso, you've got a plant now. Look at your plant. Look at it grow. You gotta talk more, spam more. Let's see, are you subscribed right now, Abso? I didn't know you could show off your founder badge without being subscribed. You growing cabbage? No, that's like Josie, what is it? Is that a tulip? I mean, yeah, I can't gift you a sub. But you also don't have an awesome stream badge or a sub badge. I don't remember what 4-month sub would be. It goes like hydrogen, helium, somethingium. It's a tulip. What is better than roses on a piano? What is better than roses on a piano? Am I going to regret asking? Ha ha ha. Tulips on an organ. I get it. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, Josie, you have like a 30-second delay going on there. Andre, you've got your own plant now too. It's down there. Well, I can't take my mouse all the way off the screen. Wow, indeed. Your plant seems maxed out. Well, if you talk again, it'll get crushed. So if I go, doot, there goes mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stages. Yeah. Wow, everybody's all maxed out. Oh, he talked. Frick. Can your plant have a pet? That is planned for future 2025 update. Maybe you can have a little bee or a bird. Josie, your plant is the furthest left. It is in the corner. It has always been the one in the corner. Your plant cannot have a disease. You are, in fact, dead yet. Go, plant, go. Go, plant, go. You're doing it. Oh, somebody just killed their plant. I think it was Abso. Josie, you killed your plant. All right, slow down, CP. One more stage left. All right, you're maxed out. So yeah, instead of cycling, I need to set it up so it just stops. And then you can harvest at this point. You harvest your tulip, you get a pretty card illustrated by Josie, who will do every single card illustration. It is in her legally binding contract. Now you're using it to silence people? Yes. Everybody shut up. You gotta stay maxed out plant. You want to grow a Dua Lipa? Josie, can you make one of those? If you talk, you kill the plant. But you can't grow a new plant without talking. You grew a green pepper kitty? I think that's where it started. I wanted to grow emotes, but then I was like, let's do actual plants. Assign it and I'll have to make it. Oh, heck yeah. Dua Lipa. Did you make this? Of course I did. Except for the pretty parts. That's what all this programming code is. So I'm making it. Did you do the thing? I don't remember which one you are anymore. Thank you. I am a genius. Oh, I had my own plant too. So if you look up there, I drew a plant. And then it grows and you get another leaf and another, and then it's done. I should add that to a different folder. Oops, create new folder. Oh, not Josie plants. Those are in Landon plants. Landon plants. Create new folder, plant 1. Da, 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 da. Yes, you can make a plant, but we don't have any standards yet. It did not die because of the delay. It died because you talked too much, Josie. You're the one that knows how many frames each plant has. Did I ever have standards? Yes. We're going to have standards someday. Someday we'll have standards so Josie can make things that I can just add without having to massage. Don't have to perfectly scale every mesh for them. Oh, I turned off the percent. Yeah. So that's what I was working on is there's a percent chance to grow now, and I want it to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle now. So now every time you talk, let's do like a 0.2% chance, a 20% chance. Oh no, the baby's up. Well, that's pretty much ending. Kill the stream right there. All right, we will wait for her to start standing up and yelling. Right now we're just rolling around. You might stay chill for a little bit. Okay, it's gonna wiggle, I hope, when you talk. Taka, 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 taka. Yeah, it's wiggling. Look at that. And actually, I want it to be greater than 0.5%. Or greater than 0.8%. I want the reverse of this. I want it to wiggle more than it grows, but I also need to get rid of that dumb plane. Delete that node. Here we go. I'll leave this up because it's just a lot of fun to watch the plants grow. But I will be back. Okay, baby is up. Should I just play a game now? I think I should just play a game now. So I'm going to go ahead, stop the YouTube. You don't get to watch games.